So we're going to work a mass percent problem for chemistry. So our problem reads, what is the mass percent if 14.72 grams of potassium chloride is dissolved in 847.2 grams of water? So we have grams of potassium chloride, we have grams of water, and it does say mass percent in here. So if we look at our table, we have a equation here that says mass percent concentration equals mass of solute over mass of solution times 100%. So mass is in grams, so grams of solute over grams of solution times 100%. And that's how we're going to solve this problem. So our percentage equals grams of solute over grams of solution times 100%. All right, great. So let's identify the numbers we have. 14.72 grams, and then we also have 847.2 grams. So which one is the smaller amount? Yes, the 14.72 grams is smaller. The smaller grams is our solute. Our solute is always the chemical we have less of. 847.2 grams of water, that is our solvent. Water is going to be our solvent in this problem because we have more of it than the potassium chloride. So we have identified our solute and our solvent. Now, one thing to remember is that the grams of solution is the total in the solution. So the two components of the solution are the solute and the solvent. So grams of solution is actually grams of solute plus solvent. So that is actually what's in the denominator. It's the solute plus the solvent totals the solution. All right, so our percent equals grams of our solute, that is 14.72 grams, over grams of the solution. The solution is the solute plus the solvent. So we have 14.72 plus 847.2 grams. So those need to be added together. Again, our solution is solute plus solvent because those are both together in the container making up the solution. And then, of course, we need to multiply by 100. So let's get our calculator and solve for this percentage. We have 14.72 divided by parentheses 14.72 plus 847.2, close my parentheses, and then times 100, and I get a big long number. Let's look back at our sig figs. We have 4 in our grams of solute, and then 4 in our grams of solvent, so it looks like 4. So this percentage is going to be 1.707, and that 8 is actually going to round the 7 up. So it's going to be 1.708%. 1.708 is my percent, my mass percent for this problem. All right, thank you very much. We'll try another one that's more difficult in just a moment.